Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
Generous by design, elegant by nature. This 5-bedroom, 6-bathroom, contemporary style, standalone home has spacious living and entertainment areas and nearly a full acre of land, fully finished. Annex right next to the pool. Separate staff quarters with bathroom and a 2-car cover garage are a few more of its features. Guys, I think I have said enough. Let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $2 million or Jamaican $307.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.